Hey everyone, Joe here with another To the Frontier tip of the week. Today I'm going to talk about how to shift your focus from just a product-focused marketing strategy to a solutions-focused marketing strategy. Now, a product-focused marketing strategy is very old school. It is simple, it is bare bones sort of way to market your business. It focuses on the 4 P's, which are product, place, price, and promotion. But in today's complex internet marketing world, a better strategy is the SAVE framework. Now that sounds all fancy, but it's really just an enhancement of the 4 P's into better ways to look at how you're marketing your business. So the SAVE framework stands for solution, access, value, and education. So instead of focusing on just what your product is, how is it better than other products, you're focusing on how it solves your customers' problems. What are some solutions it provides for your customers? Looking at it that way. Access enhances place by saying, okay, this is where our business is located, but how can we allow our customers to best access the product? How can we use the internet to our advantage in that way? How can we make it more easy for our customers to access the product? Value takes price and enhances it by saying, okay, we're not just going to focus on the cost, we're going to focus on how much value it can add to a customer's life in the long term. Things that you will have that you wouldn't have otherwise because you invested in our products and services. And finally, education enhances promotion by not just saying, okay, buy our product. It's saying, we're going to educate you on everything our product, all aspects of our product and the market that we're in, and give you valuable information that you can use for free, so that you will trust our business, and when the time comes to buy, you're going to buy our product because we gave you valuable education up front. So those are the 4 enhancements to the 4 P's that I think will really help your business thrive in today's complex marketing world. I hope you found this tip helpful, and I hope you stay tuned because we got more coming.